Good morning, everyone. What a glorious day. I put out my fourplex mouse trap last night on my stairs just to see if I could catch any mice, and sure enough I did. I also put out a rat trap above it. Didn't get lucky last night, but I gotta check the trail camera.
Simple as that to catch a rat.
Chilli-wack a rat.
Simple as that to catch a rat.
Chilli-wack a rat. Just gonna have to move this trap up here. Got a latch on the side of the fourplex. Open that up. There you go. Worked perfectly. See, got a mouse right in there. Now I'll just be able to grab the mouse trap and then just flick that off to the side and get rid of it and reset the trap. What a great day. Now I'm just going to reset that mouse trap and put that trap back in the box. Close it back up again. Relatch it. All set and ready to go.
Simple as that to catch a rat.